So you've opened up SolidWorks and you're excited to get started. And here I am telling you how to do stuff, but yours looks totally different than mine. You might have downloaded SolidWorks and got these small little icons. And I'm telling you to click on stuff, and you have no idea what any of these mean, which is fine. You can hover over them, and it will tell you what each one means. And you can leave it this way if you prefer. But if you want it with big text, where it's the same icon, just with a description, there's an easy fix to that. Okay. All you're going to do is in this ribbon right here, anywhere, doesn't really matter. You're going to right click and you're going to hit use large buttons with text. Once you do that, it makes it all big, all your descriptions, so you don't even have to hover them. You still can. It'll still tell you what's going on with it. And sometimes it'll give you a little I can't hover over that, but it tells you sketches a rectangle from the center and gives you a little visual. Same thing with the circle. So you can still hover over them, see what's going on, but this at least gives you an idea of what they are without having to hover over each individual one. And the same applies if you want to go back to the small icons. You'll right click and uncheck the use large buttons with text. It'll go back to the way it was. I do not like that. I like my big buttons. But you can choose to keep it however you would like.